Okay, I wanted to take this chance to go over our meal plan for this week and also show you what we picked up at Aldi and Kroger. There will not be a Walmart haul this week, but as usual, I will have my referral link below in the description box. So if you'd like to try out Walmart's grocery pickup, you can do so and get $10 off your first $50 purchase. So make sure you check that below. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you went ahead and done so. I'd love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. Make sure you comment below. Tell me what you guys are eating this week because I need some recipe ideas. Okay, this is my meal plan binder. If you've not seen how I put this together, I will have it linked below in the description box. All these products that are in here came from Dollar Tree. This is my meal plan for July 2nd through July 8th. So on Monday the 2nd, we will be doing the beef noodle soup and cornbread. This is the Swanson beef noodle soup packets, starter packets that we picked up at Dollar Tree last week. If you were lucky enough to find those, they retailed for like $7. So I wanted to try these this week so that in case they still have them, I can pick up more. On Tuesday, I'm going to make a tater tot casserole and also some veggies. I'm not sure, we may go to the farmer's market and pick up like some corn. We still have some zucchini I need to fix, so we're just going to wait on the veggies on this one. On Wednesday the 4th, that's Independence Day, so we're going to have a 4th of July cookout. That will involve hot dogs, hamburgers, macaroni salad, chips, just, cookout foods. So that is going to carry on over to Thursday the 5th. So we're just going to do leftovers because we know we're going to have a ton of hamburgers and hot dogs left, maybe. So if we do leftovers on Thursday. Friday, we're going to have spaghetti, garlic bread, peas, and salad. On Saturday the 7th, this is a meal, the broccoli, beef, and rice from Trader Joe's. It got carried over from last week. My mom had brought us a chicken casserole that was amazing. So we went ahead and took this out of our meal plan and just decided to roll it over to the weekend. And then on Sunday, we're having salads and homemade pizzas. These will just be pepperoni pizzas. And we'll just make the dough ourselves. And I'll probably make some pizza bombs that are amazing. If you've not tried the pizza bombs or seen that video, I will link it down in the description also and up in the cards if you'd like to watch. So this is what our meal plan looks like for next week. So here's the items that I picked up at Kroger this week. I am questioning why I ever stopped shopping there. They have such amazing deals, especially on Fridays and Saturdays. So let's go over this really quick. I picked up 3 packs of the Nathan's hot dogs. These are the all beef franks and they're the bun length, and they had those for $1.99. We have been eating lots of salad the past week, so I went ahead and picked up another one of just the classic garden, and then they had the maple bourbon bacon chopped kit. And it was only $1.49, so I picked that up for me and Chris. Picked up some of the Cajun crab dip. Again, they had that on clearance for $1.79. Bananas. And then they had the hefty storage slide gallon bags for 99 cents. So I picked up one of those. Picked up some mashed potatoes just because we need those on hand. We're having spaghetti one night this week, so I picked up an extra ragu. And also needed some butter, so I picked up a country crock. They had their Chips Ahoy and their Ritz crackers Friday and Saturday for 99 cents a piece. This is Chris's favorite cracker, so I went ahead and picked up 4 boxes of these so that we'd be stocked up. And I just picked up one of the Chips Ahoy. This was an amazing deal. Then, if you've watched my channel in the past, that we lost everything in our refrigerator a while back. So I'm slowly restocking. They did have these on sale, I think, for $1.49 or $1.29. Either one. So I picked up one of each, the honey mustard in the Sweet Baby Ray's and Ray's Secret Sauce. Thought those would be good. We are having a cookout this week, so I picked up 2 chilies. I've never tried the Kroger brand with beans before, and I wanted to try that just to see how it went. And this was Kroger's Friday free item, and it's just AMP energy drink, organic energy drink, citrus, a refreshing blend of lemon lime. I don't know. I'm going to assume this has caffeine in it. Yep, right there it is. Organic caffeine. Well. I don't drink caffeine. Preston doesn't drink caffeine. Kerrigan drinks caffeine, but she doesn't do energy drinks, so this will probably be Chris's. And then I picked up 4 of the teas for Kerrigan. Well, 2 of the teas, and then 2 of the Mucho Mango, the Arizonas. She likes to have these on hand, so I just went ahead and picked up 4 since they were 77 cents. And then they had their Minute Maid drinks for 99 cents. So I picked up 5 of those. I got 2 of the peach punch, 2 fruit punch, and just 1 strawberry lemonade. So this is just the items that I picked up this week from Kroger. So the bill for the Kroger haul was $39.18. It's saying that I saved $32.52. And usually there's a percentage right there. It says total savings 47%. So I'm happy with that. Okay, the rest of this came from Aldi, and it's quite a bit smaller of a haul. I just picked up a 12 count of their eggs because they're so much cheaper there, as well as their milk. It's like $2.48, and if you go to Walmart and get it, it's $3.80. So I pick up 2 milks when I go. Their loaf of bread, this is the wheat bread, and it was only 88 cents, I believe. I picked up some of their turkey pepperoni. I love these. A roll of their croissants and some marinara sauce. This is for a recipe on game night that I'm going to be making. And needed sour cream. Chris and Kerrigan absolutely love this. This is their bacon ranch chicken salad. I tasted it when we were in New York last year. That was the first time we got it, and I'm not a huge fan, but I don't know. You'd have to try for yourself. Briley had to have the hint of lime tortilla chips. Don't ask me why. And again, more condiments. Chris picked up the hot sauce to try. And I know that I've mentioned that Chris is a huge olive fan. Well, he likes hot stuff. These are the Atomic Spicy, not quite a cucumber. So they're pickles, and you can see they got little peppers in there. Whew. So he picked up these. They were in the refrigerated section. And then I got 2 packs of their strawberries because they were 99 cents each. And the kids go through a lot of fruit during the summer. And that's all. I hope you have a wonderful and safe 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.